Alright, so here's how I make puff pastry when I'm either feeling extra lazy or I'm pressed for time. So I have the base dough right here that I've already rolled out for my butter block. The right consistency here. Nice and pliable. So it starts off just like a normal puff pastry recipe. You enclose the butter block in the dough. So I'm going to do just like that. Pinch it over here just to make sure it's sealed. And we're going to start rolling this out. The main difference here is that instead of the 6 traditional single folds, we're going to be performing 1 double fold and then 1 single fold, resting it, and then repeating with another double and single fold. Alright, that's the first set. I'm just going to wrap this up and let it rest in a refrigerator for about 45 minutes, and then we'll do the second set. And now that the dough is rested, we're going to roll it out for the second double and single fold. And we're done. There's your puff pastry. Now, the catch is you still have to let this rest again for at least 30 minutes before you can roll it back out. And here are the results. The leaves I baked, along with a couple other additional tests. It's just to test how high it would puff. Good 8 centimeters there. Sometimes if you get layer compression, you can cut along the side with a serrated knife. Gently, please. And that will expose the layering cross-section. And that should be it, so until next time.